Carla's Kitchen CC, best cooking around here. Welcome to Carla's Kitchen CC YouTube channel. Hey, Carla the big bad chef. Always like, comment and subscribe. Yeah man, comment to the thing. Carla's Kitchen CC, best cooking around here. She's creative, unique, skillful, and she's different. Always chefing it up in her kitchen. Don't forget Carla's Kitchen CC. Clean and everything neat and delicious in a Carla's Kitchen.
Back home when I was a child,
Carla's Kitchen, remember to subscribe, like, comment and share. Yeah man, click the red subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever she upload a new video. And support the thing, share. Carla's Kitchen CC, you hear that? What me say? Run go subscribe to Carla's Kitchen CC. Yeah.
Okay guys, so I finished removing the seeds from the fruits, so now it's time to blend. Okay guys, so finish blending, it's time to strain it out. This is all the seeds. Okay guys, so this is what I got out of one fruit. Okay, I got this much. It looks good, the color is beautiful. So I'm just going to fill it up in this jar. I'm going to add some ice first. Here you have it guys, lovely pomegranate juice, very good for your health guys. Please like the video, share the video out, and if it's your first time here, remember to subscribe, touch my post notification bell so you will be alerted on my next upload. To all my new subscribers, thank you guys so much for subscribing. I welcome you to the family. I am happy you are here. Thanks again guys. Remember to put God first in everything that you're doing. Be kind to yourselves so you know how to show kindness to others. Take care of yourselves, walk good, be good, and good will always follow you. And I'll see you again in another video. Bye guys.